everyone, this is Ahmed. Today we're at the Central Business District of Nairobi. We are here to ask people one simple question. What comes into your mind when you see a Somali person? Now, because of the Al-Shabaab attack, the influx of refugees in the country, the media misinformation of the Somali thing, we are here to ask the non-Somalis what they think of the Somalis. As you can see, because of my appearance and everything, I cannot do it. So I'm going to ask my colleague Kevin Chalo to do it for me, and we are going to compile the comments and bring it to you later. Enjoy.
We are here in the streets to talk to people and ask them what they think about the Somalis. Join me.
When I see a Somali, Sili comes to mind.
When I see a Somali, Al-Shabaab comes into my mind. The reason is because 90% of most of the Islams are Al-Shabaabs.
When I see Somali people, I just think of Al-Shabaab. If you remember the Garissa massacre that happened like 2 years back, I lost a cousin. Yeah. So when I see Somalis, I just think of, the first thing is Al-Shabaab.
Kiona Islam, naonanga tu ni watu kama sisi. Sionangi wakiwa wabaya ama.
Mimi nimeishi na Wasomali. Kawaida nimewazoea. Tunaishi nao vyema. Kwa hivyo si big deal kwangu. Tumezoea tunaishi pamoja.
As per Kenyan guy, yeah. When I meet a Somali, we have grown up with Somalis. They are my brothers and my sisters. So when I see a group of Somalis, even 90% of my friends are Somalis. So we do, when I'm free, can't work with them, we learn each other. So let us dispute about religion. We are one people.
First of all, I do like Somalis because in my hometown, I stay with them. Even my area MP is a Somali, so I really like them. I've interacted with them for quite a long time, so I have that rapport with them. I don't have any issue with them.
When I see a Somali, I see him or her as a normal person, just like me. We are one. I cannot criticize him because of how she wears or because of his tribe. For all I know is that we are one. I've never felt any fear to a Somali because he's a human being like I am, and we are all human beings.
They are not bad people. It is just like a negativity between people. Ningaliulizwa na mtu, ana ningeulizwa ningetakata kumari.
Personally, when I see a Somali guy, to be honest, I just see them as normal human beings. But at the back of my mind, because of what has been happening recently around the world, you know, many of them are associated with terrorism, you know. So in the back of my mind, I'm like, okay, he might be maybe one of them or he might not be one of them. So I need to stay safe or something.
Sisi kama wa Kenya, kwa ufupi wacha niseme, tunachukulia tukiona Msomali yote tunajua ni Al-Shabaab, but kwangu sichukulii hivyo.